Most common severe chronic diseases are of psoriatic origin. It received separate names. A few examples: common wart on the finger up to the largest sarcomatous tumor, from the malformation of the fingernails up to the swellings of the bones and the curvature of spine, and many other softenings and deformities of the bones, both at an early and at a more advanced stage, are caused by psora. A few more examples: epistaxis, hemoptysis, hematemesis, hematuria, diarrhea of many years, convulsions occurring repeatedly,